This is IIT advanced problem. What will be the product? Okay. This question again I will give you. Don't worry. Okay. This question again I will give you. I will explain this question. So we are discussing a topic that is carbocation. What are carbocations? And what is the use of this? How these carbocations are changing the mechanism? And we are discussing about the role of carbocation in mechanism of reactions. And we are discussing how these carbocations are changing the product, what kind of reactions they are taking. So these carbocations are called reaction intermediates. I repeat, carbocations are very, very important. These carbocations mainly it is a reaction intermediate in three mechanisms. Just 15 to 20 minutes I will repeat. 15 to 20 minutes I will repeat the class. If anybody is interested to record, you can record. Now it is recording enabling is there. Recording is there. If anybody interested, you can record the class, no problem. Now, listen. Carbocations means carbon carrying positive charge. I request please everyone keep mute. Requesting please don't disturb the class. Keep in mute. If my voice and video and audio is not proper, Nikhil, please anyone tell me. Okay, please keep in mute. Keep in mute, everyone. Keep in mute. Carbocations. Carbo means carbon. Cation means what? They are carrying which charge? Positive charge. This is carbocation. Generally, carbocation that contain CH3 plus because they are losing one bond. Generally, carbon makes 4 bonds. Now here no one bond is not there. Only 3 hydrogens, 3 bonds. Because this bond is not there, they will carry the positive charge. Point number 1. These are the carbocations. They carry positive charge. Point number 1. And these carbocations are they are reaction intermediates. In a chemical reaction, they act as intermediate. Intermediate means they come in the middle of the reaction mechanism. If you write the mechanism of a reaction, these carbocations will appear in the middle of the reaction and they will change some reaction mechanism, and sometimes you will get unexpected product than the expected. Basically, unexpected product. That's why they are called reaction intermediates. So carbocation is a reaction intermediate which appear in the mechanism of the reaction. Carbocations are reaction intermediates which appear in the mechanism of the reaction. Generally, mechanism means it may be 2-step or 3-step. Every chemical reaction, if you see every chemical reaction will have some mechanism. This mechanism will be either 2-step or 3-step or sometimes single-step. Now, if it is a 2-step mechanism, step number 1, after step number 1, this carbocation comes. After step number 1, this carbocation comes, and in the step number 2, it disappears. And the product you will get. Correct? No? That means, for example, you will see a reaction means reactant is giving the product. Reactant is giving the product. This is the reaction. Reactant is giving the product. If you see the mechanism, step number 1 in the mechanism is that reactant is giving the carbocation, and step number 2 is what? Step number the carbocation is giving the product. That means you see reactant is giving the product only. Reactant is giving the product only. But what is the carbocation? Is the intermediate coming in the step number 1 product. Step number 1, this is coming. In the step number 2, it is disappearing in the product you are getting. So this carbocation is the reaction intermediate in the reaction mechanism. This is called mechanism. Step number 1, step number 2, mechanism. Is it clear to you? This is carbocation. Introduction. So carbocations are the reaction intermediates. In a chemical reaction, this comes as an intermediate and disappears after the reaction, but makes some changes in the product. How? We are going to discuss. Now, this is about the carbocation introduction. Is it clear to you? Number 2. This carbocation, which carbocation is stable, which carbocation is unstable, I am going to discuss. You just, I will write only 5 I am giving you, which are important for your advanced level. These 5 are enough. But list I have given already. That just keep in mind and leave these 5. That is benzyl carbocation. What is benzyl? This is benzene. Benzene. CH2 plus. This is carbocation. This is called benzyl carbocation. Benzyl. Benzyl carbo. This is called benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl. What is allyl? CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 plus carrying this double bond next single bond carbon. This is called allyl carbocation. These both are most stable. This is more stable than allyl because of the resonance structures inside the benzene. And the next, this is more stable. Next, after this, tertiary is more stable. Tertiary is more stable. What is tertiary? I will write here. Tertiary is the carbon carrying carbon bonded with the 3 CH3, and here also CH3, and here also CH3, and a positive charge on the middle carbon. This is called tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation. That means the middle carbon bonded to 3 carbon. That's why it is called tertiary carbocation. Is more stable than secondary. What is secondary? CH3 plus CH3 plus here, and it is having one hydrogen also. Hydrogen. This is secondary. This is hydrogen. This is secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation. Observe carefully. Is more stable than, I am continuing here. What is it? Primary. CH3, CH2. Plus this is primary carbocation. This is primary carbocation, which is more stable than methyl carbon. This is called methyl carbocation. This is called methyl carbocation. So this is the stability. Only the 6 you have to remember. Up to the advanced level, they will ask this only. Keep in mute up, everyone. Okay, this is benzyl, allyl, tertiary, secondary, primary, and methyl. Why it is primary? Because carbocation is bonded to only 1 carbon. That's why it is primary. Carbocation bonded to 2 carbon, that's why it is secondary. Carbocation bonded to 3 carbon, that's why it is what? Tertiary. This is allyl because double bond, single bond. This group is called allylic group, carbocation. And benzene is benzene. That is this benzene of containing CH2. This 5 to remember. This is enough to you after the advanced level. So this I explained to you. Is it clear to you? This is point number 2. Point number 1. What are carbocations? This is stability of carbocation. This is the stability of carbocation. Carbocation stability I wrote on the board. Is it clear to you? This is the stability. The stability you have to keep in mind always. Is it clear? Next, I am removing this. If you want, take a snapshot immediately. Those who are new students, please take a snapshot immediately. This is called benzyl. This is called allyl. This is called tertiary. This is called secondary. This is called primary, and this is the methyl carbocation stability. This is indicating that this is more stable than this. Indicating stability is more for this than this. This is indicating this is more stable than this. Is it clear to you? Please take a snapshot if you want. No. Number 3. How these carbocations are changing in the reaction mechanism? Whenever you see carbocation, 3 things you have to remember. Whenever you see carbocation, 3 things you have to remember. First one is hydrogen shift. This is hydrogen shift. This is also called hydrate shift. Hydrate shift. Is it clear? Number 2 is methyl group shift. Methyl group shift. Methyl shift. Methyl shift. And number 3 is ring expansion. Ring expansion. Ring expansion. Is it clear? These 3 things you have to remember during the carbocation. So these 3 things you have to keep in mind. Means whenever you see one carbocation in a reaction mechanism, these 3 you have to keep in mind. What are that? Any chance of hydrogen shift is there. Hydrogen shift is there. Any chance of hydrogen shift is there. Number 2, any chance of methyl shift is there. Any chance of ring expansion is there. So now I will explain what is hydrogen shift means. To convert, whenever it is in the mechanism, if the it is primary carbocation always try to become secondary, or it will try to become tertiary. If it is secondary carbocation, always tries to become what? Tertiary. Please remember this. Means, for example, in the mechanism, you found one carbocation which is primary only. The carbocation is primary only, but immediately next you have secondary carbocation. I think you are understanding. Again, I am repeating. In the mechanism, you found a carbon with a positive carbocation, that is primary. Next carbon is secondary, means the positive charge will go to this carbon, hydrogen will come to this carbon, they will exchange. That means positive charge will go to this carbon, hydrogen will come to this carbon. Is it clear? To this changing is called hydrogen shift. That means during this hydrogen shift, primary becomes secondary, or primary becomes tertiary, secondary becomes tertiary. Means, stability, a secondary always tries to become tertiary because to become more stable. Primary also always tries to become secondary or tertiary because to become more stable carbocation. Is it clear? So during the methyl and during the methyl and hydrogen shift, this process will happen. Or they try to become primary, will try to become secondary, or second primary will try to become tertiary, or they will try to become allyl if any chance is there, or they will try to become benzyl. Means, I told you, always if becoming benzyl means they will become. If any chance of becoming allyl, will become allyl carbocation. Means you have to see the surrounding. Whenever there is a carbocation, you have to see the next carbons. Any chance of shifting of this positive to any chance is there, you have to check once. Is it clear? That is called hydrogen and methyl shift. This I will explain later. Okay, what is hydrogen shift? I will give an example here. You see, I will write one example down. You observe carefully. For example, let us take one substitution reaction. Let us take substitution reaction. Let us take substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. I think it is visible. Substitution reaction. Let us see in this reaction. For example, CH3 is there, CH2 is there, CH2 is there, Br. This Br has to be substituted. That Br, the rounded one, no, that has to be substituted by whom? By OH minus. That means, now what is the reaction? The Br has to go out. The Br has to go out. OH should come in. OH should come in. Is it the Br has to go out? OH should come inside. Then what is the expected product? Generally, what we expect product is CH3. Expected product is keeping Utama. The expected product is CH3, CH2, CH2, OH is the expected product. This is the expected product. But generally, this won't occur. This is wrong product. Why, sir? This is wrong. That is expected. Sir, Br is going from this carbon only, no, sir. The OH also should come here only, no, is an argument. But actually, what happens here, you see? Actually, what happens? Actually, during the mechanism of the reaction, what happens in the step number 1? This Br goes. That is CH3, CH2, CH2. This Br is there, no. This Br will go away. This Br goes. Then what you get, CH3, CH2, CH2. What happens here? Plus will come here. Obviously, Br is going from which carbon? Br is going from this carbon only. This carbon Br is going here. Obviously, this carbon only will get the positive charge. Correct? No. But that is a primary carbocation. Sir, why it is primary? Because this green carbon attached to only one carbon. This carbon only. This green attached to only one carbon. This is not attached to this one. This is bonded to this. This is bonded to this. So this primary. Correct? No. Then immediately what happens? Next to primary, this is secondary. This is primary carbon. This immediate next name on the this secondary carbon. And primary carbon immediate next to secondary on the primary carbocation. That touch a secondary on the. So immediate the primary carbocation immediate next to secondary. అప్పుడు ప్రైమరీ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇట్ విల్ ట్రై టు బికమ్ వాట్ సెకండరీ అని చెప్పారు. హౌ అంటే హౌ లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. This positive charge will shift to this carbon, one hydrogen will go and shift to this one. And ఇక్కడ ఉన్న hydrogen ఇక్కడ shift అవుతుంది, positive charge కి shift అయినప్పుడు then what is the product you will get? Obviously here what will you get here? Tell me. CH3 CH plus CH3 వస్తుంది. You will get CH3 CH plus CH3. I think it is visible. Is it visible to you, Akash?
Yes sir, it is.
Visible to you?
Yes sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes sir.
Yes. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ ఉంది. దిస్ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ is shifting. Why it is shifting? Tell me, Akash. Why this positive charge is shifting to this middle carbon? Akash, can you explain why the positive charge is shifting to middle carbon? Why?
So because initially it is on primary carbon, sir, and the
Initially positive is on primary carbon.
And the middle one is secondary carbon. So it from primary it will shift to secondary carbon.
Yes. Why? To become more
stable.
Correct. అర్థమైందా? అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇంతకు ముందు ప్రైమరీ ఉన్నది ఏమవుతుంది, పాజిటివ్ కి షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది, హైడ్రోజన్ కి షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా, దాన్ని హైడ్రోజన్ షిఫ్ట్, దీని అంట హైడ్రోజన్ షిఫ్ట్ అంటాం. అదే హైడ్రోజన్ షిఫ్ట్ అంటే అదే, అంటే ప్రైమరీ కార్బన్ కాస్త సెకండరీ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇది స్టేబుల్ అన్నమాట. అంటే దాంట్లో ఇది స్టేబుల్. ఎందుకు? ఇది సెకండరీ కాబట్టి. ఇది ప్రైమరీ కాబట్టి ఇది కంపారిటివ్లీ లెస్ స్టేబుల్. అంటే టు బికమ్ మోర్ స్టేబుల్ ఏమవుతుంది, షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 2 లో ఏమవుతుందంటే, స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 2 మెకానిజం స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 2 లో, ఇది స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 1 కదా, స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 2 లో ఏమవుతుంది, ఆ సెకండరీ కార్బోకాటైన్ CH ప్లస్ CH3 ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ OH మైనస్ విల్ కమ్ అండ్ అటాక్. అంటే OH మైనస్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ అటాక్ అవుతుంది. ఆ OH minus will come and attack in the that one. Then what is the product? Tell me. CH3 CH ఇక్కడ OH వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ CH3. So this is the product, actual product. It's wrong. The expected product. This is real product. I think you understand. Is board is visible to you, Ananya?
Yes sir.
Board visible, Amma?
Yes sir.
Yes. ఇదేమో ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ ప్రోడక్ట్, బట్ ఇది రియల్ ప్రోడక్ట్. అంటే ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ రాంగ్. రియల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎందుకు వచ్చిందంటే కార్బోకాటైన్ అన్నమాట, బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కార్బోకాటైన్. చూడండి స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 1 లో, ఇన్ స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 1 వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంటర్మీడియట్ హియర్? కార్బోకాటైన్. అదే కార్బోకాటైన్ షిఫ్టింగ్ వల్ల ప్రోడక్ట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఐ హోప్ యు ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. కరెక్ట్? నో, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మిథైల్ షిఫ్ట్ అన్నమాట. అర్థమైందా? If you want to take a snapshot, otherwise I will remove. Already this I have explained. I am repeating for those who are not understanding and those who are new to class, please. Okay, na? Next. Adhe substitution reaction. Another example I will give you. Another example is Tanjuvan. Same substitution. I am giving another examples. Same substitution, I will give another example. Please observe carefully. Same substitution. CH3, CH, CH3. ఇది ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ CH, ఇక్కడ Br. ఇక్కడ this Br has to go out. Br, CH3. మనం ఇచ్చాను ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇప్పుడు ఇది టెర్షరీ కార్బన్. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఉంది కదా, ఇది టెర్షరీ కార్బన్. ఇది సెకండరీ కార్బన్. So Br is on secondary carbon. Br is on secondary carbon. Ante secondary carbon will get the positive first. This should be replaced by the OH. This should be replaced by the OH minus. Appudu em avutundante ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు without mechanism, without seeing the mechanism, with your mind you have to think. The Br has to go from here. Avuna kada? So I request please answer Akash. This is if Br is going from here, means which carbocation you will get?
Tertiary carbocation, sir.
Here.
Yes sir.
My finger. Endadi.
Secondary carbocation.
Secondary carbocation you will get. Immediate time అవుతుంది. Next secondary carbocation పక్కనే ఉంది, ఈ సైడ్ ఏముంది? ప్రైమరీ ఉంది. So shift కాదు. ఎందుకంటే secondary will not become primary కదా. Secondary this side what is there? Is tertiary. So shifting is possible. What will happen? Can you explain?
Carbocation will be formed on tertiary carbocations. I mean,
So from here, how this is happening? How, tell me?
Hydrogen will shift to the third carbon atom, sir.
Which hydrogen?
The
This
hydrogen will
hydrogen. This
second.
hydrogen. No?
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
So this hydrogen will shift to this one. Correct? No.
Yes,
And
sir.
the positive charge which is formed will shift to this one. No.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Then
sir.
what will happen that time? So positive will be here. And what will be the product of CH3? See, ఇక్కడ OH వచ్చేసింది. This is the product. Correct? No.
Yes, sir.
That's this is the product. Correct? Even though bromine is on this one, OH will come to this one. Actually, OH is supposed to come here, but it is coming here because of the carbocation. This hydrogen shift antam. This is only called hydrogen shift because the hydrogen from this one is the hydrogen is shifting here. So this is called hydrogen shift. I think I am clear. These two are the hydrogen shifts. Ardhamainda? Next one. What is methyl shift? Same example. What is methyl shift and chudandi? Same example. What is methyl shift? Chuda. Okay now. But instead of hydrogen, what is there? Here one more CH3 is there. One more CH3 undi okavega. And instead of hydrogen, what is there here in this carbon? One more CH3 undi. Same CBr undi. Substitution reaction. Ardhamainda? Now what happens? Br will go from here. Positive will come here. It won't go this side. No chance only because secondary will not become primary. But ikkada em avutundante? Now can anyone explain here what happens, Nikhil? Can you explain what happens here? Here what how processing here?
This happens, sir, because this, the
one of the methyl group,
Third carbon.
this carbon. One is keeping everyone. Yes. One of the methyl groups will shift to this carbon. Correct? No. One of the methyl groups. And anyone. Three methyl. This is methyl. One methyl will shift to that side. And the positive on this will shift to this one. Correct or wrong? Then the methyl group is shift అవుతుంది. Positive will shift అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? Then what will happen? CH3 ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ఒక CH3 ఉంది. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? one here shift no. So here CH3 అవుతుంది. Here CH3. Is it clear to you? అంతే కదా? Out of 3 CH3, one CH3 shifted here. So 2 more CH3 here. 2 more CH3 here. Correct or wrong? Anything either this or this shifting, don't worry. One methyl will shift that side. So here this is getting methyl. Positive here. Then obviously OH will come and find obviously here only, no. So this is the product. This is called methyl shift. Ardhamainda? Did you understood? Akash?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Yes, Ananya? Kadali?
Sir, yes, sir.
Ardhamainda Kadali?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, Amma. Krishna Priya?
Yes, sir.
Ardhamainda Amma?
Sir, అర్థమైంది.
Okay, Amma. So దీన్ని methyl shift అంటే హైడ్రోజన్ షిఫ్ట్ methyl shift అనేది సేమ్. అంటే మీకు సింపుల్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి. కార్బోకాటయాన్ అటాచ్ అయిన కార్బన్స్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఏమైనా షిఫ్టింగ్ పాజిటివ్ ఉందా లేదా?
అమ్మా అన్నటి క్లాస్ రివైవ్ చేస్తున్నారు కొద్దిసేపు అన్న తెలిసిన టాపిక్ అని వెనకాలకు వచ్చాము కొద్దిసేపు జూమ్ చేసి ఒక్కడేనా
మ్యూట్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఆశాన్ వల్లి if anybody talks I will remove you from the class strictly. I am telling you. Yes, simple logic endante I will explain in Telugu and English. Don't worry. You don't tell me sir I will explain in English. You don't tell me. I know I will explain in English. I will explain in Telugu. If I am explaining in Telugu, those who don't know Telugu keep is it clear? Now ఒక కార్బోకాటయాన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కార్బోకాటయాన్ ఫామ్ అయినప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్స్ చూడండి. ఇమ్మీడియట్ నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్స్ చూడండి. ఇది ప్రైమరీ అయితే ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రైమరీ అయితే నెక్స్ట్ సెకండరీ ఛాన్స్ ఉంటే సెకండరీ ఛాన్స్ వస్తుంది, టెరిషరీ ఛాన్స్ ఉంటే టెరిషరీ. ఇది సెకండరీ అయితే ఇది సెకండరీ అనుకోండి, నెక్స్ట్ టెరిషరీ ఛాన్స్ ఉందా అది దట్ ఈస్ యూ హావ్ టు యూస్ బ్రెయిన్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామ్, దట్స్ ఆల్. సో కార్బోకాటయాన్ ఫార్మ్ కావడం అనేది వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫార్మింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. కార్బోకాటయాన్ ఫార్మ్ అయిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఎనీ ఛాన్స్ ఇస్ దట్ యూ హావ్ టు థింక్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామ్, దట్స్ ఆల్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ టు యూ? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద హైడ్రోజన్ షిఫ్ట్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ది methyl shift. So whenever there is a carbocation during the exam, in the question, whenever there is a chance of carbocation in the question, immediately you have to check whether any shifting is possibility or there. You have to check and then you have to answer. Is it clear? Now I will give one more example to answer this example. Next one. Next. I will give one. You try to answer now. What is the product? Okay, see now benzene. Let us write benzene. pH. Please remember pH means benzene. pH means benzene. CH2 substitution, same substitution only. CHBr. This Br has to go out. Carbocation will be on this. Then CH2 CH double bond CH2. Then OH minus should replace here. OH minus. This is Pakka advanced question. This is advanced level question. Then ikkada what will happen here, you know, the Br is going from here only, no doubt. The Br is going from here, the positive will come here only, no doubt, correct? No? The Br, then it both allyl, it both a benzyl. Observe carefully. If you go that side, allyl carbocation, this side what? Benzyl carbocation. If you positive shifting, ikkada shift ayithe benzyl, this is benzyl. If positive is shifting this side means it is what? This is benzyl. Okay now. If positive is shifting this side means what? What is that? Allyl. Which one is more stable to this? Just remember which one is most benzyl or allyl?
Benzyl.
Benzyl. So obviously the positive will come here only. The hydrogen will go here. Very simple. Appudu em avutundi? pH CH plus CH2 CH double bond CH2 వచ్చేస్తుంది. This is the carbocation you will get, and obviously the OH will come and find here only. This is the correct answer. Simple. Concept is very simple. Concept of carbocation is very simple. అంటే carbocation next చూడండి. ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఇక్కడ బెంజైల్ అక్కడ అల్లైల్. So which one is most? I told you benzyl, next allyl, next tertiary, next secondary, next primary, next methyl. These 6 only you remember. In advanced level also they will ask the 6 only. They won't go beyond the 6 pakka. In advanced also they will ask benzyl, allyl, tertiary, secondary, primary, methyl. Fix in mind. That's all. Okay, the carbocation unnappudu next you see any chance. The benzyl, allyl, tertiary, secondary. That's all. Is it clear to you? No, same, for example, same question if they ask like this. Same question if they ask like this, you see. For example, same question if they ask like this, what is the product? For example, same substitution only. pH, CH, Br, CH, CH2, CH, double bond CH2. Ippudu the Br has to go from where? Br has to go from here only, no. So already which carbocation is forming here? The positive will come here only, no. But it is already benzyl. Already this is only benzyl. No need of shifting here. Are you understanding? Shifting padsari kavali and there is no root every time it has started. The positive which is formed here is already is a benzyl. Already stable only. So no need of shifting. I think you are understanding. Are you understanding? Are you understanding, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see, Br is going from here means the positive is coming on this carbon. This is already stable carbocation. If it is already stable carbocation, is why to shift? So shifting occurs when to become stable. To become stable, it is shifting. If already stable means again why to become stable? In before example, it is shifting because to become stable. But in this example, it is already stable carbocation. Br is going from here. Positive is coming here. Means benzyl is a stable carbocation. So directly that OH will come and bind here only. That's our product you will get. So please again one more thing. Some students will misunderstand. Sir, every time shifting is possible. No, every time it won't possible. If it is required, how to become primary to secondary? Yes. Secondary to tertiary? Yes. Primary to tertiary? Yes. Primary to benzyl, primary to allyl, ala. To become stable. Secondary to allyl, tertiary to allyl, ala shift అవుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడే possible. Is it clear to you? ప్రతిసారి షిఫ్ట్ కావాలి. One more thing very important, please keep in mind. Shifting is only one step. ఒక స్టెప్ లో అయిపోతుంది. Only one step అంటే ఏంటి? For example, ఇక్కడ primary. This is primary. Next carbon secondary. Next carbon tertiary అనుకో. అంటే this is primary. This is primary. Next secondary. Next tertiary అనుకుంటే it is primary will become secondary. Stop. No more tertiary కాదు ఇక. Shifting అంటే one step. అంటే from here to here, here to here. That's all. No again from here to here, here to here. Keep on jumping. It won't be there. Shifting is only one step shifting. Shifting అంటే one step shifting. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది నెక్స్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది అంతే. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ ప్రైమరీ కార్బోకేటైన్. నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్ సెకండరీ ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ బెంజైల్ ఉంది అనుకో. ప్రైమరీ టు సెకండరీ స్టాప్. సెకండరీ టు బెంజైల్ కాదు ఇక. ఎందుకంటే మోర్ ఎనర్జీ రిక్వైర్డ్. అర్థమవుతుంది? ఐ థింక్ యువర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. ప్రైమరీ ఉన్నది సెకండరీ అవుతుంది. ఆ సెకండరీ అక్కడ బెంజైల్ ఉండగానే అక్కడ అయిపోతుంది. షిఫ్టింగ్ విల్ స్టాప్ దేర్ ఓన్లీ. సో షిఫ్టింగ్ విల్ స్టాప్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ద సింగిల్ స్టెప్ లో అయిపోతుంది షిఫ్టింగ్. Is it clear to you? This is about the shifting. Next, third one which is ring expansion. Now, methyl shift over, hydrogen shift over. Third one which is ring expansion. So, whenever you see one carbocation again hydrogen shift you have to remember. Methyl shift you have to remember. Third one, ring expansion. Ring expansion అంటే ring ఉంది అనుకోండి. Say take any ring. For example, I am taking a 3-cycle ring. For example, this is what cyclopropane. 3 carbons are there. For example, again let us take CH. Here Br. Br is here. F1 CH3 is here. Is it clear to you? Now Br has to get replaced by some group. Is it OH group? Let us take the Br has to go from here. Now obviously see the positive charge will come on where? The positive charge will come to where? This one. Okay, next CH plus here and CH3, correct? No. So this is positive charge on the middle carbon. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఎనీ సైకిల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సైకిల్ నెక్స్ట్ కార్బోకేటైన్ అంటే ఐ మీన్ సైకిల్ is there. This is cyclic compound. This is cyclic attached to carbocation. ఈ కండిషన్ attached to carbocation లో the ring will expand to next membered ring. Next membered ring అంటే 4 membered ring. 4 membered ring, 3 membered ring will become 3 membered ring will become 4, 4 will become 5, 5 will become 6. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే here during the mechanism one of the bonds will break. This will go and bind here. Then what happens? You know, this is like this only. This is like this only. Is it clear? And this is like this only. C plus H CH3 only. This will there. This carbon is there. This will go and directly bond to this one. Is it done? This is a carbon. This is a carbon. This is a carbon. This is carbon. This hydrogen will shift to this hydrogen will shift here. Is it clear? This will be. Then obviously what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4 membered ring. 4 membered ring is what like this. Is it clear? And one of the carbons will have the positive charge because this is. Let us say this is this one and this is carrying one CH3 also because this CH3 I wrote here. This CH3 is this CH3. So this is positive. Then obviously what is the product? What is the product here? Tell me. Product is this is CH3 and this is what? OH. This is the product. I hope it is very clear to you. Simple ఏంలే అంటే రింగ్ పక్కన కార్బోకేటైన్ ఉంటే రింగ్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ అవుతుంది. 3 membered ring become 4 membered ring. This is the product. This is the correct product. I think you are understanding very clearly. Here ఏమవుతుందంటే this bond will break. This bond will break అయితే డైరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. Here attach అయిపోతుంది. Attach అయినప్పుడు ఈ కార్బన్ ఏంటంటే ఈ కార్బన్ ఇది. This carbon is this. This is what ఇది. అంటే ఇక్కడ కంప్లీట్ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది. బ్రేక్ అయిపోయి ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇక్కడ అటాచ్ అవుతుంది. So this carbon is this one. This carbon is this one. This carbon is this one. This CH plus is this one. Again, before this hydrogen will shift here because before there was no hydrogen here. This hydrogen will go and shift here. Is it clear? And already this carbon has CH3. So this positive charge, this CH3, then OH minus will go and bind here. Obviously, you will get this product. I think it is very simple concept. కొంచెం మీరు కాన్సంట్రేట్ చేస్తే వెరీ సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ది రింగ్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్. అంటే హైడ్రోజన్ షిఫ్ట్, మిథైల్ షిఫ్ట్, ring expand. This is exclusively JEE NEET questions. They won't ask in MSET, they won't ask in IPE. Exclusive NEET and NEET JEE and this is exclusive advanced. Ring expansion is advanced. So JEE NEET, they will ask hydrogen shift and methyl shift. Ring expansion is not there in the advanced. If you want, you can take this snapshot. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Shravya, yes. Ardhamainda amma? Shravya, yes. Shravya? Yes, Shravya?
Sir.
Ardhamainda?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, amma. Akash?
Yes, sir, I'm understanding, sir.
Yes. Please take snapshot. Next. Next. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ట్విస్ట్ ఏంటంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ట్విస్ట్ ఈస్ దట్ డే ఐ గేవ్ యూ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇక్కడ ట్విస్ట్ ఏంటంటే వన్ ట్విస్ట్ అడ్వాన్స్ లో మోర్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ రియాలిటీ. దే వాంట్ టు గివ్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ ద అడ్వాన్స్. వాట్ దే విల్ డూ ఇస్ దే విల్ పుట్ వన్ చార్జ్ హియర్. జస్ట్ నౌ ఐ గివ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఓన్లీ. దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ ఇస్ CH3 is there. Here one CH3 is there, but they won't put in the exam. Is it clear to you? For example, ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి. ఇలా ఉందన్నప్పుడు సార్ which bond has to break? అంటే here you get two products here. Here you get two products here. That means Br is here only. Br is here. The Br will break here. The Br will go here. This Br will go here. Example, this Br will go here. Then what is the carbocation here? Tell me Br goes. What is the carbocation? Obviously, see this one. Correct? No. And this one CH plus CH3. This is carbocation. Now here you will have two doubts, sir. If this one breaks, or this one breaks. Correct? No. If this one breaks, what is the option? Two options you will have. Which option is correct? Ante, sir, if this one breaks, which one? If this one breaks, if break out them out, then it is direct to the attach. Please use think amma. Ikkada oka carbon untundi. Ikkada oka carbon, this carbon, ante next to ante CH plus next carbon methyl. Ante endi? Ikkada already oka CH3 is there. Ikkada is anamata. I think you understand it. I think I am very clear. Ante ikkada ee bond break avunadu. If this bond is breaking, I think is it visible to you? This bond break ayinappudu ఇక్కడ ఒకటి is it clear? ఈ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ అయితే బ్రేక్ డైరెక్ట్ అటాచ్ అవుతే this carbon with methyl అంటే కార్బోకేటైన్ నెక్స్ట్ కి ఇమిడియట్ నెక్స్ట్ దానికి methyl. I think is it clear to you? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Listen. Very important. If you want, I just write little bigger and write very important amma. Advanced exclusive advanced students need they won't ask. No, need students need not ask. ఇక్కడ ఏందంటే చూడండి, ప్లీజ్ లిసన్. I will write big for you. ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు here you have two options, sir. Which bond will break? Down I am writing green. You see, down అయితే green. ఇక్కడ green breaking ఉంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చే green I am writing down green. Is it clear? అదే red breaking అంటే red అంటే పైన. ఇక్కడ అంటే రెండు ఆప్షన్స్, two options are. సర్ ఈ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ అయినప్పుడు లేదా ఈ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ అవుతా? Which bond will break? ఈ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ అవుతే ఏమవుతుందంటే this bond will break కదా, అవునా కదా? అంటే there is already one carbon is here. Already there is a carbon here, no? Correct? There is a carbon here attached to this carbon. Appudu ee bond break ayinappudu this will go and directly bond to whom? Bond to this carbon. Avuna kada? Appudu em avutundi? Ee carbon bonded to carbocation. This carbon will have one methyl group. Ikkada directly bonded to carbocation. Carbocation nunchi oka carbon undi, carbon nunchi inko carbon. Ide kada? అంటే ఈ కార్బన్ అంటే ఈ కార్బన్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ కార్బన్ is this carbon. This carbon is there, no? The black carbon with carbocation is okay na, this carbon, and e carbon is this carbon. I hope you are understanding this. Okay, ఇది ఆప్షన్ నెంబర్ 1. సార్ అది కాదు సార్, నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ దేర్ నో అంటే ఏంటది? ఒకవేళ ఇది బ్రేక్ అయితే, ఒకవేళ ఇది బ్రేక్ అవుతాం ఏమవుతున్నప్పుడు ఇది యాజ్ యూజువల్ కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. దిస్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ యాజ్ యూజువల్, దిస్ విల్ గో ఇన్ బైండింగ్ హియర్. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ బైండింగ్ హియర్. అప్పుడు 1 అంటే ఈ కార్బోకాటయాన్ బాండెడ్ టు 1, నెక్స్ట్ దానికి వస్తుంది అంటే 1 అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఇమిడియట్ నెక్స్ట్ బ్లాక్ డేట్. I think you are understanding. Okay, and this is option number 1. Here what happens? This bond is breaking. If this bond is breaking, you will get this one. That means carbocation next carbon ke methyl group. Option 1. Later, this is continuing like this only. ఏ విధంగానే కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ ఇది బ్రేక్ అవుతే ఇది బ్రేక్ అవుతే ఇది బ్రేక్ అవుతే ఏమవుతున్నప్పుడు this will go and bind here కదా. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? కార్బోకాటయాన్ ఇది కార్బోకాటయాన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఒక కార్బన్, ఇది కార్బన్, నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్ మిథైల్ అంటే 1 కార్బన్ నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్ మిథైల్, ఆర్ ఈ కార్బోకాటయాన్ ఇది ఉంది కదా, దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ దేర్ నో. సో దిస్ కార్బోకాటయాన్ కార్బన్ నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్ మిథైల్ అంటే వాట్ యు గెట్ యు నో. If carbocation is this one, say this will have obviously CH3. Here you will get the methyl group. Here you will get the methyl group. అర్థమవుతుందా? Observe. Position of the methyl group you have to observe here. Please use brain. Please you think. Look at the board only. Take the scissor. Take a scissor. Take one scissor. Is it clear? Cut this one. Option 1. Cut the red one. Joint. అలా జాయింట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే కార్బోకాటయాన్ కు మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ డైరెక్ట్ బాండ్ అయిపోతుంది. అంతే కదా, ఇదంతా మర్చిపోండి. ఫర్గెట్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ దిస్. కార్బోకాటయాన్ కు డైరెక్ట్ బాండ్ టు కార్బన్ విత్ మిథైల్, ఇది ఆప్షన్ 1. ఇది మర్చిపోండి. నౌ ఆల్రెడీ టేక్ సిజర్ అండ్ కట్ దిస్ వన్. ఇది కట్ చేస్తే ఇది కట్ చేస్తే ఇది క్లియర్ టు యు. దిస్ ఇఫ్ యు కట్ ఇది కట్ చేస్తే ఫర్గెట్ అబౌట్ దిస్. ఇది కట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? డైరెక్ట్ ఈ బాండ్ వచ్చేసి ఇలా బాండ్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? కార్బోకాటయాన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎంటీ కార్బన్ విత్ మిథైల్, ఆర్ కార్బోకాటయాన్ విత్ ఎంటీ కార్బన్ నో కార్బన్ విత్ మిథైల్ అంటే ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ మిడిల్ లో ఎంటీ కార్బన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ దట్ డే ఐ గేవ్ యు. ఓకేనా? సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్? ఇక ప్రోడక్ట్ అనేది దట్ మీన్స్ OH is coming here or here. The substitution will take that means OH is on this one only, but methyl position is which one? This one or this one is a question mark. So which bond is breaking is a question mark. So as per the what is that? Repulsion rule. This is repulsion rule. This only will break. This is correct breaking. Why this is breaking? Because the repulsion between this CH3 and this one, this breaking is correct, and this is the correct one. This is the wrong one. Is it clear to you? So that you have to go with the repulsion rule. Repulsion means methyl group bulky undi kabatti that breaking is a no bulky group now. So breaking chance here because of the repulsion, because of the bulky group, this bond is chance is there. So it will go like this. Is it clear to you? Now continuation takes place. Is it clear? But this type of typical question also they used to ask. Nowadays they are not asking. You need not break your head on this. Why am I telling? Because if case they ask, you answer. But this type of question they stopped asking since 5 years. They are asking maximum. Without this they are asking. Nowadays. With this they are not asking. Is it clear to you? Yeah, please take that. ఒకవేళ if they want to twist more అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇంకో 2 ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఇది బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది. బికాజ్ మోర్ రిపల్షన్. ఒకవేళ ఇన్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ దే వాంట్ టు కన్ఫ్యూజ్, ఇక్కడ 1 మిథైల్ గ్రూప్, ఇక్కడ 2 మిథైల్ గ్రూప్, సెకండ్ ఇక్కడ కట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బల్కీ గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు రిపల్షన్ వల్ల దట్ ప్లేస్ విల్ కట్. కంపారిటివ్లీ నో మిథైల్ గ్రూప్. సో ఇక్కడ కట్ అవుతుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 1. నో నథింగ్, నో మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటే కటింగ్ ఇక్కడ. అమ్మా, ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అమ్మా?
Yes, sir.
Anyone respond? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Amma, are you understanding, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే లిసన్. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ నెంబర్ 1 ఏంటంటే ఐ విల్ టీచ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్, బికాస్ తెలుగు ఈస్ ఫర్ యువర్ మోర్ కంఫర్టబిలిటీ బికాస్ యువర్ మదర్ టంగ్. హియర్ బల్కీ గ్రూప్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నో బల్కీ గ్రూప్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ బ్రేక్ ఈస్ హియర్, సిజర్ హియర్, కట్ హియర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ 2 ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, 2 మీద విచ్ సైడ్ ఎక్కడ బల్కీ గ్రూప్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కట్ చేయాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? కటింగ్ యూ హావ్ టు థింక్ వేర్ యూ హావ్ టు కట్ ద బాండ్. ఇది లేకుండా వితౌట్ దిస్ బాండ్ డైరెక్ట్ అదే ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ కట్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, కట్ ఎనీథింగ్, బోత్ అని కట్. దిస్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్, దిస్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్, బికాజ్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ గ్రూప్. అదే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇథైల్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, ఇలా ఇథైల్ అంటే ఇథైల్ మిథైల్ అనుకోండి, ఇది కట్ అంటే ఇథైల్ బల్కీ దాని మిథైల్ కదా, అంటే బల్కీ గ్రూప్ చూడాలి. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇథైల్ ఇక్కడ మిథైల్ ఇచ్చాడు, కట్ హియర్. రెండు బోత్ ఆర్ మిథైల్ అన్నప్పుడు కట్ ఎనీవే. ఓన్లీ 1 మిథైల్ అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కట్ చేయండి. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ వెరీ సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. అర్థమైంది? అంటే బల్కీ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న కార్బన్ కట్ చేయండి, అటాచ్ చేయండి. సింపుల్. కట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ కట్ చేసేసి ఈ బాండ్ డైరెక్ట్ ఈ బాండ్ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ అటాచ్ చేస్తున్నాం. దిస్ బాండ్ యు ఆర్ రిమూవింగ్, రిమూవింగ్ అంటే ఇలా రిమూవ్ చేసేసి ఇదే బాండ్ ఇలా తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇలా అటాచ్ చేస్తున్నాం. చేసి ఏమవుతున్నప్పుడు ఈ కార్బన్ కు ఈ కార్బన్ డైరెక్ట్ బాండ్ అవుతుంది. ఇలా అయిపోయి ఈ కార్బన్ మీద పాజిటివ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది, బాండ్ అయిన కార్బన్ మీద మిథైల్ ఉంది. అర్థమైంది? అలా ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు కట్ చేసేసారంటే బల్కీ గ్రూప్. సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. అర్థమవుతుందా అమ్మా? ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. ఎనీవన్ ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అమ్మా? ఐ యామ్ టీచింగ్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్. ఐ యామ్ టీచింగ్ ఫాస్ట్ అమ్మా.
No, sir.
No, sir.
నిఖిత అర్థమవుతుందా నిఖిత?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. శ్రీవల్లి,
Yes, sir.
సనా నిఖిత అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? సనా నిఖిత, అస్మా
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. అర్థమైంది.
ప్లీజ్ కీప్ ఇన్ మ్యూట్ అమ్మా. శ్రీవల్లి జీ
Yes, sir.
అండర్స్టూడ్ అమ్మా?
Yes, sir.
ఆర్ యు షూర్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. ఇది క్లియర్ నౌ. సింపుల్ వేలో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే ఏంటంటే ఐ ఓకేనా, ఇఫ్ యు వాంట్ మోర్ సింపుల్ వే ఏంటంటే ఓకేనా, చూడండి. Please listen carefully. This I took one wire here. This is a bond, assume. Before the bond is here, no, this wire is visible to you, not visible. I will take a black color wire if possible. Okay, na? This is a black color wire. Listen. Intaku mundu before endante bond ila unde kada. Before bond was like this. Is it visible to you now? This bond is ila kada. This bond I am removing. Before it unde kada. ఈ బాండింగ్ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఏం చేస్తానంటే నేను ఈ బాండ్ కట్ చేసి ఇలా పెట్టుకుంటాను. అర్థమైందా? ఇంతకు ముందు బాండ్ ఇలా ఉండేది, కట్ చేసి ఇలా పెట్టుకున్నాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, 4 కార్బన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. అర్థమవుతుంది? ఇంతకు ముందు బాండ్ ఎలా ఉండేది, ఇలా ఉన్నది బాండ్. ఇప్పుడు ఇలా పెడితే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, అప్పుడు ఇలా పెడితే ఏమవుతుంది, కార్బన్ 4 కార్బన్స్. ఈ కార్బోకాటైన్ నెక్స్ట్ కార్బన్ మీద పాజిటివ్ మిథైల్ అబ్జర్వ్. ఇంతకు ముందు ఇలా ఉండేది, ఇంతకు ముందు ఇది ఇలా ఉండేది, ఇలా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఇంతకుముందు ఇలా ఉన్నది కాస్త ఇలా అయిపోయింది. ఇది క్లియర్ టు యు? అంతే. ఇప్పుడు ఇలా ఇంతకుముందు ఇలా ఉన్నది కాస్త ఇలా అయిపోయింది. సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ టు యు? దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ రింగ్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్. రింగ్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ ట్విస్ట్. అంటే వితౌట్ ఎనీథింగ్, వితౌట్ ఎనీథింగ్ కట్ ఎనీవేర్, వితౌట్ ఎనీథింగ్ కట్ ఎనీవేర్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్, కట్ దేర్ ఓన్లీ. బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ మీన్స్ ఎనీవేర్. Complicated side cut to. Is it very clear? Understood? No. Where you have to cut, you should know. This is about the ring expansion. Hydrogen shift, methyl shift, ring expansion. Is it clear? These 3 things you have to see in the carbocation. Carbocation is the reaction intermediate. Benzyl, allyl, tertiary, secondary, primary. That's mind note. Benzyl more stable, then allyl more stable, then tertiary, then secondary, then primary. తర్వాత మిథైల్. నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ వన్. Last one. Next వచ్చేసి sir in which reaction these carbocations are playing major role? అంటే carbocations which reactions they are coming అంటే 3 reactions are there. First reaction ఏంటి? Carbocation playing major role in the first one ఏంటంటే substitution reaction. Substitution just now you have seen no substitution reaction. Substitution అంటే ఏంటి? Replacement reaction. So carbocations plays major role in the substitution reaction. Which substitution అంటే that four types are. That is nucleophilic. S అంటే substitution. N అంటే nucleophilic. Number 1 అంటే ఏంటి? First type. That I will explain clearly. SN1 అంటే ఏంటంటే nucleophile. Nucleo. N for nucleo. N for nucleus. N for nucleus. Nucleophile. Phile means love. Nucleophile and nucleus loving. Here N means what you know, nucleophile. Phile means love. Nucleophile and nucleo అంటే ఏంటి? Positive. Phile అంటే ఏంటి? Love. Is it clear? Positive love అంటే దీనికి ఏ చార్జ్ ఉండాలా? Who loves positive? Negative only, no. Who loves positive? Negative loves positive. Positive loves negative. That's a universal fact. The positive loving group. The group which loves the positive ante they are negative species anamata. And all nucleophiles are negative. Generalization I'm telling, but I will explain detailedly about that. There are some neutral nucleophiles also there, don't worry. Temporarily now you remember nucleophiles means ante negative species. Indak man Br minus arrow మీద OH minus రాసిన observe carefully. And the arrow I wrote OH minus charge because negative ఉన్నది, negative ఉంటే nucleophile. This you don't worry, I will explain this nucleophiles very clearly later classes. Just now you remember as SN1. N stands for nucleophile. Nucleophile means nucleus loving means negative charge species. That enough you remember. Further classes I will explain. So this carbocation plays major role in the which reaction? Substitution result to SN1 reaction. This is intermediate. Number 2 is what? Which reaction? You know, addition reaction. Which addition reaction? Addition reaction. Is it clear? Addition reactions. Which addition reaction? Anyone tell me which addition? Electrophilic addition or nucleophilic addition?
Electrophilic addition reaction.
Electrophilic addition. Very good. Electrophile. It is opposite. Electrophile. Electron loving. Electro అంటే electron. Phile అంటే ఏంటి? Love. Electrophilic addition reaction. And electro అంటే ఇక్కడ opposite. Nucleo కు opposite electro. Nucleo అంటే ఏంటి? Positive charge. Nucleus positive charge. Electro అంటే ఏంటి? It is electrophile means what it is? Electrophile. Electrophile means what? Electro means electron. Phile means love. Electron కి ఏ చార్జ్ ఉంటుందమ్మా? నెగటివ్. Phile అంటే ఏంటి? లవ్. నెగటివ్ ఫైల్ అంటే నెగటివ్ లవ్ గ్రూప్. అంటే వీటికి ఏ చార్జ్ ఉంటుంది? ఆపోజిట్. నెగటివ్ లవ్ గ్రూప్ అంటే విచ్ ఇస్ వాట్? దే ఆర్ positive species. Electrophiles are generally what? Positive species. And this opposite is this one. These both are complete. Nucleophiles are opposite to electrophiles. Is it clear? Electron, negative. Phile, love. Negative lover and positive. Electrophiles are generally which one? They are positive species. So in the addition reaction also carbocations are the intermediate. In the substitution reaction also carbocations are the intermediates. And third one is elimination reaction. Elimination means what? Removal. Elimination means what? You know, removal reaction. That I did not explain till now. I will explain. That too mechanism is E1 reaction. E1 reaction name is what? First type of elimination. The E1 like SN1 is, you know, like this one. This is also E1 elimination 1 E1 reaction. So in these three mechanisms carbocations are the intermediate. In these three mechanisms carbocations are the intermediates. In which reaction? SN1 reaction. EAR and in the EAR electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction EAR అంటారు కామన్. అంటే ఈ electrophilic addition reaction దీంట్లో కూడా carbocations are the intermediate. And elimination E1 reaction also carbocations are the intermediate. So carbocations are the intermediates in three mechanisms. These three mechanisms, carbocations are playing as intermediate. So whenever carbocation is there in this reaction, hydrogen shift, methyl shift, ring expansion you have to see. So in these three mood reaction in these three reaction also carbocation is an intermediate, compulsory intermediate. Then whenever you see carbocation in this three reaction, then check about the hydrogen shift, methyl shift, ring expansion, and go for this. The three mechanisms. I think I am very clear to you. So till now I explained only the substitution only. This only I explained. I am going to explain addition and elimination. Addition also I would explain, but again I will repeat in the next classes. This I am going to explain. Don't worry. Substitution reaction SN1 also I will explain. Don't worry. So in these three reactions, please remember carbocation is the intermediate. In these three reactions, carbocation is the intermediate. Please remember, variety and in mood reaction, they are all two-step mechanism. This is a two-step mechanism. This is a two-step mechanism. Two-step. And the number of steps in the mechanism is how many? And two-step. And in the SN1 also, SN1 is a two-step mechanism. It is a two-step mechanism. This is also two-step mechanism, and this is also what? Two-step mechanism. These three are two-step mechanisms. And step number one, followed by step number two. Two-step mechanism, two-step mechanism, two-step. And step number one low, in the step number one, the product is carbocation. Step number one low, in the step number one, the product is carbocation. In the step number two, the carbocation stability you have to see. Step number two, product. Step one, carbocation is an intermediate. Step two, product you will get. So when you see the carbocation intermediate, again you have to say stability. Stability and in the hydrogen shift, methyl shift, ring expansion. That's all. Very simple. Concept is very simple. So these three mechanisms I will explain this week. Don't worry. I will make you perfect in the organic mechanisms. I will make you perfect. But please be regular to the classes. Be regular to the classes. Be regular to the classes. Don't afraid of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the simplest chemistry among all the chemistries. Organic chemistry is the simplest chemistry among the chemistries. Most simplest is organic only, but you have to understand it. You don't get afraid, because some students they will think no. So while Sharma sir is teaching, I am feeling very comfortable in organic, but after when I open the book, I am getting afraid. Don't be like that. Definitely, I will send you assignment. Whatever the assignment I am sending to you, dear students, please try to solve. 80% you solved my assignment means you will become, definitely you will get the All India rank. I am opening challenge. 80% if you solved correctly my assignment without saying means within top rank you will get in All India level. 80% if you solve. 50 to 60% you solved means you will get the somehow some rank you will get. 50-60% you solved means good, very good. 60% you solved my assignment without seeing perfectly correct means definitely you get a seat. 80%, 90% you solved means guarantee rank. In chemistry, I'm telling you, I'm talking about chemistry. I don't know about physics and biology and maths. Chemistry, I'm telling you. Is it clear to you? But be regular to classes. Be regular. Number two, take down the notes. Snapshots, okay, you are taking screenshot, done. But again, you have to take the notes. And please remember, please listen, mute. I will wake up till 12:30. You can call me, please text me, or if you have any doubt, take a snapshot. Today morning also, one girl, 2-3 girls, they asked me doubts. N-chloro, N-bromo, N-chloro, very good. Like that, you ask me. As soon as you ask me one question, within 10 minutes, you will get the reply from me. So please, I am available to the students. Believe or not, till 12:30 midnight, I am available. And morning 8 o'clock onwards, I am available to students only. Please remember, be regular, write down the notes, solve the assignment. Till now I gave you 2 assignments to you. Okay, now yesterday also I sent you one assignment. 140 questions are there. Please solve it. Don't neglect the assignments, please. I did not give any assignment on this carbocation or electronic effects. I did not. I have to give you. Till now I gave you only nomenclature, isomerism. First, be perfect in the nomenclature, isomerism. Next, this electron displacement. In the entire electron displacement, only two things important amma. Okati carbocation, rendu resonance. That's all. Electronic displacement, so inductive effect, mesomeric effect pattern vedite. Carbocation, resonance. Two concepts, if it is there in the mind, means enough to you. Remaining all automatically you will understand. So I'm going to focus more on the carbocations and the resonance. When resonance is possible, which conditions resonance is possible, how resonance is possible, I will explain step by step. First of all, don't get afraid. I will make you easy in chemistry, and not only organic, physical, every chemistry. I promise you, I will make you easy. But be regular, is it clear? And whenever I am not taking the class, definitely assignment. Please be regular, be practice. If any doubt is there, please call me after this class. Today's class I am ending now. Thank you all. Thank you very much.